Hey y'all, so this is some of our welding equipment, and we've got some welding students here to talk a little bit about things. So can you guys tell me what you've done on this truck as welding students?
Well, we started with, we put little steps on so it's easy to get up. A couple of our students put a tank for the oxyacetylene torch, so you can just slide bottles in. You just gotta pop it up and open it up.
Cool.
Put some tools in all these boxes. I think they took all the tools out for some. You just have chipping hammers, grinding wheels, wrenches, all sorts of stuff.
Awesome.
We got pipe for pipe cutting and welding. That's mostly second year stuff though. Look to your left. That's some brand new chutes. That's what the freshmen did this year.
Bucking shoots.
Bucking chutes, by that.
What are they? You were a freshman this year, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about them.
So we built the bucking shoots for a stock contractor out of town and provides stock for practice rodeo. And all.
Awesome. Let's check out what's going on inside.
This is just surplus metal, mostly just materials. You got projects you can do. You could just go in there, rob some metal, and they don't mind. That's for the fab classes. That helped a lot. So you don't have to use your own money.
So this is the welding space where you can see we've got a ton of space down here for students to do their work. We've got, how many different booths did we say?
Ooh.
There's 3 right here.
There's 3 on this side. Well, on these sides. But this end one is mostly just paint. So we don't like to throw welders in there.
But there's a specific dedicated space for students here so that they can be safe while they're welding and they can, oh yeah, let's take a look.
For our TIG machines, we got special TIG outlets. That's, each booth has the regular outlets for all the other welders. But all those ones on the wall, I think, have one for TIG. Yep. Here's where we keep our cold straw, or metal, our cold rods. We got a rod heater over there by the paint booth. Here's all our drills, our sanders for TIG. This is what we sharpen our tungsten with. You see how it's grooved? That's because you use your tungsten rod and you sharpen the end of it. And then during the school year, all these tables that are just tucked in right here, you know, they're kind of spread out. It's just tucked away for easy cleaning. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
As welding students, what was your favorite part about the program?
I just have to say all the fab and extra time we had to, you know, like if you had something you got to work on for home, you can do it.
I'd say just welding.
Awesome. Sounds good. Thanks for the tour, guys.
Yeah.